Hello, it's Gina Mayo from Music in Our Homeschool, and I would love to tell you about Singing Made Easy Level 4 today. We're going to take a deep dive into the course so you can see what you're getting. So let's look at the home screen at learn.musicinourhomeschool.com/singlevel4, and you see here that there are links for levels 1, 2, and 3 if you would like to start with those. You don't have to, but those are available. It tells you what the songs are. There are 11 songs in this course. This is an intermediate singing course, so you should have some prior knowledge or at least be age 8 as you start this course. There are 2 free previews. You can click here for how to use and here to hear the song Johnny with the Bandy Legs and get the sheet music and audio and video. There is the song there if you'd like to listen to it. And now I'm going to click that link for the free preview so you can see what it looks like inside the course. So here is the song. This is the free lesson that you can get. So you get the song, you get the sheet music. I will scroll down here while that's loading. And you get some audios. This is the audio of the descant with the melody. So you're hearing both parts there. This audio has just the descant. This one has the full song with the background accompaniment. And this one is just the background accompaniment. So you can use it for performance or as you're practicing to hear your voice. Down at the bottom, I have sung the song for you so you can hear what it sounds like and see me singing it. And then let's scroll back up so you can see what the sheet music looks like. So in this free preview, I gave you a couple of other pages too. There's lots more. Here's a table of contents that shows you everything you would get in the full version, which is over 100 pages long. So here's a couple of pages that I have given you. And then here is the teaching lesson for the song. And then there's the sheet music, and notice it has chords. If you want to play chords on the piano or guitar or ukulele or something like that. And then there's the piano accompaniment that is included. For all the songs that have accompaniment that are not sung a cappella, you get the piano accompaniment as well. So let's look over here. If you had purchased the course now, this is everything you would see. You have your how to use section. Let me scroll back to the top. It gives you some tips and some information. Then here is the entire set, and that's where you would download the entire set. This again is the free preview. There's a certificate of completion that's included. I have separated just the lessons, so each song and the lesson that goes along with it is in this PDF. So you see there the lesson with the sheet music for all 11 songs. And then I have given you each song separately. That includes everything that just goes with that one song. So it's the sheet music, the audios, and the video. Then if you scroll down, you see that you have some vocal warm-ups. There's one that comes from the ebook, The Love of Singing, and there's a PDF and a video for that one. There's some exercises for posture, breathing, and relaxation, and that also has a video. Then you have vocal warm-ups 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this level 4 Singing Made Easy has a 5th video, which is not included anywhere else. Then you have your piano accompaniment book that has all the accompaniments separated out for you. And then I give you a list of all the courses I have available at this point and a coupon code. So I hope you will check this out, try out the free lesson, look at the other levels, and see if this is what you need to begin singing in your home or your classroom. Bye-bye.